Hello dear students, let's check out this particular question now. In this particular question, two identical pendulums A and B are suspended from point. So we have a point P, and from this point two identical pendulums A and B are suspended. The bobs A and B are given positive charges Q1 and Q2. If mass of A and B are M1 and M2, where M1 is greater than M2 and the angles from the vertical of A and B are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively, then we need to choose the correct options based regarding the angle from the vertical. So student, let us first consider a case where theta 1 is equal to theta 2 and try to understand this particular type of questions. Okay, so for a condition when theta 1 is equal to theta 2, M1G for this particular bob will be acting downwards. There will be tension force here, and if the distance between these two charges is R, there will be electrostatic force of repulsion acting on charge A. In the same way, here will be T, here will be Fe, and here will be M2G. Clear? So when theta 1 is equal to theta 2, for balance condition, I can write that vector T plus Fe plus M1G is equal to 0. Correct. Also, the angle between Fe and M1G is 90 degree. Therefore, T can be written as under root Fe square plus M1G whole square. Okay. Now, what I can write here? I can write that the component of tension force, this is theta 1, so this will be theta 1. I can write T sine theta equal to Fe. I am taking theta as general because theta 1 and theta 2 are equal, and T cos theta to be equal to mg. Okay, so from these two equations I will be getting tan theta to be equal to Fe over mg, where theta can be written as tan inverse Fe over mg. Clear? Now this Fe here is equal to k q1 q2 over r square. Okay, so if it was a case when theta 1 is equal to theta 2, this way we would have solved. But here the difference lies at m1 greater than m2. So for m1 greater than m2, let us suppose a case where from a point these two bobs are suspended. This is m1 and this is m2. Okay, now on these two bobs, as they are carrying charge q1 and q2 and placed at a distance r from one another, there will be same force acting on both the charges A and B. As the force of repulsion between these two charges is same, but m1 is greater than m2 as given in the question. So if I am trying to deflect a bob of larger mass with a force, it will be deflected from the vertical by a less angle as compared to when I am trying to deflect a smaller mass with the same force from the vertical. This is the practical analysis based question. Clearly you can understand if you try to visualize this. Okay, so from this concept we can clearly state that if m1 is greater than m2, its deflection, that is theta 1, will be less than theta 2. Therefore, according to our calculation, option number 3 is the correct answer here. Let's verify this with our answer slide. So option number 3 is the correct answer here. Okay, I hope this particular question is clear to you. Thank you.